This training video will guide you through how to navigate the 3D walkthrough and render views. From your top left panel, select the walking person icon to enter first person view. You'll need to use your keyboard and mouse to walk around the pad. Select the help icon top right to review the keys required. Use D to move right, A to move left, W to move forward, S to move back. Right click, hold, and drag to look around. You can exit at any time by pressing the home icon in the top left. Next, select the camera icon and take still 3D shots of your park. Left click this time adjusts your direction of view, while R and F allow you to move up and down respectively. When you're happy with what you see and want to capture an image, click the plus icon down below. You can see your gallery start to fill up as you take additional screenshots. You can remove a screenshot by clicking the X in the image thumbnail down below.